Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a super easy flower vase using a glass jar and air dry clay. For this project I'm upcycling an old honey jar. I soaked the label off, which left a slightly sticky surface. That works perfectly because it helps the clay grip the jar a bit better. I had some leftover clay that was starting to dry out, so I decided to mix terracotta colored clay with basic white clay to get a really nice marbled effect. I added a little bit of water to moisten it since parts of it were quite dry. But that doesn't matter too much for this project since we're going for a rustic stone-like texture anyway. To shape the pot, you can use a wide scraper or spatula, and then I just trimmed the top edge to make it look nice and neat. Next, I used a real stone to press a rocky texture all over the vase. After that, just let it dry for a few days. You'll know the air dry clay is completely dry when the color turns a lighter shade. Once the vase was dry, I protected it with a waterproof varnish and let that dry completely as well. And there we go, it's all done. It turned out so nice and it was super easy to make. And what's great about this is that since the glass inside holds the butter, the pot is 100% waterproof. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.